How to create a video for your YouTube channel in 10 minutes. No content, no voiceover, no video editing. Everything will be done using artificial intelligence. First of all, choose a topic and go to YouTube to search for it. Select a video related to you like this. Open the transcript of the YouTube video and copy it. Now open pictory.ai. Sign up and create a free account. Now you have multiple options to input data for video creation. Click on the script to video and paste copied transcript. Make spelling and grammar corrections. Highlight keywords from your text. Proceed. Choose any template of your need from the list. Video is created. Now for voiceover, click on Add Voiceover, then Upload Voiceover. Click on Voiceover. Here you can choose the voice type of your choice. Choose and apply it. You can preview and create your video. If you have any questions or want to know more, comment under the video.